Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and today I'm going to be doing another packet tracer, packet tracer 11.2.2.5, configuring dynamic NAT. Um, for this one, just like with the other packet tracers I've been doing, I'm going to be posting a link to the document in which I have all my configurations already made in my notes. So you can check that if you want a little bit more than just a video. Um, but I'm going to go ahead and get started into configuring this. So first thing we're going to start doing is configure our dynamic NAT. So we're going to go to R2. We're going to configure a one statement ACL1 to permit any addresses belonging to 172.16.1.0.0/16. En conft we're going to do access list 1 permit 172.16.0.0 wildcard mask of 0.0.255.255. IP NAT pool. We can name this whatever we want. It really doesn't matter. I'm gonna name it what I named it in my notes. We're gonna call it place name here. Just name it whatever you want. Just as long as you keep it consistent and you always refer back to it in all of your other configurations, it's fine. It's just for your own records. We're going to do 169 space 209.165.76.199 and net mask 255.255.255.252. Oh, I made an error somewhere. Let me check this again. 209.165.76. 196. There we go. Here I accidentally put in a 69796. So make sure you don't get those two mixed up there. So if we look back on our topology real quick, you can notice that there are 3 network ranges that would be translated based on the ACL created. So what will happen if more than 2 devices attempt to access the internet? Additional devices would be denied access until one of the previous translation times out, freeing up the address to use. So that's what would happen if multiple devices tried to go to the internet at once. So now we're going to associate our ACL1 with the NAT pool. So we're going to do IP NAT inside source list 1 pool and place, this is the name of our ACL, place name here, and then we're going to put it in our interfaces. So if we're on R2 right now, we're going to put it on our 2 serial interfaces, so int s0/0/0 and IP NAT inside. Actually, this one's our outside one, isn't it? If we look back here, yeah, see, this is our inside, that's our outside. So our 000 is our outside, and our int s001 is our inside. Alright, so now if we try and verify some access here, we'll go to PC1, actually go to our web browser. We'll put in the web browser's address of 209.165.201.5. Hit go, and boom, we made it. Good. That's what we wanted to see. We can test that for PC2 and L1 also. We'll test for L1 because it's on a different one. Web browser 209.165.201.5. Go, and it made it. Good. Now what we can do is view the NAT translation on R2 because we just went through and made those. So we'll do an end. We'll do show IP NAT translations, and there you can see those are the 2 we just tried to get by with. Well, sweet. It looks like everything's working right. Let's check this real quick. 100%. Alright, so that means everything for this back tracer is completed. If you have any questions, you can just leave them down in the comments. This is Ganon Vickery. I just did packet tracer 11.2.2.5. I'll see you for my next video.